The new Schengen Borders Code introduces this possibility for states to conduct internal border checks, which means that they can check irregularly staying migrants at the territory. If such a person is apprehended, then they can be so-called processed in the so-called transfer procedure, through which a state can then return that person based on the readmission agreements and based on bilateral cooperation agreements with the police to another member state from which they have entered. These new provisions of the Schengen Border Code already follow the well-established illegal practices that our states have, in which they push back people from our borders based on the readmission agreements. So we should be very careful of the potential violations when the new pact and when the Schengen Border Code will be implemented in full. Let's not forget that the groundwork that the Schengen Border Code follows already exists. We already have established bilateral police cooperations between Slovenian, Italian, and Croatian police, as well as readmission agreements that in the past were used for massive pushbacks from our borders. Therefore, what we see in the future is that these same agreements will be used in line with the Schengen Border Code in order to legalize these illegal practices. Pushbacks can never be legalized. They are always illegal and not in line with the law, and therefore we strongly suspect that these new provisions of the Schengen Border Code will lead to extensive racial profiling and discrimination of people in our territories.